Class, our today's new topic is volume and surface area of solids. So class, mainly in this topic we are talking about cuboid and cube. So what is the volume of cuboid, what is the volume of cube, what is the surface area of cuboid, what is the surface area of cube, we will discuss that. So class, for cuboid the formula of volume is L into B into H. You all know cuboid is a three-dimensional body like this. You can see here length, this is breadth, and this is height. So length into breadth into height is the volume of this cuboid. Cuboid has a specific volume, so this box class has a specific volume, so the volume of cuboid is L into B into H. But if I am talking about surface area, then surface area means class, surface area means how many surfaces in this cuboid has one surface and the opposite second surface, third surface, this is the opposite fourth one, and this is fifth, and this is sixth. So you can see class, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 surfaces. So how we calculate the surface area? For that we have to calculate the surface area of this first. So what is the area of this surface? So class, if I am talking about this surface, how you calculate the area? Area is L into B. So this is length, this is breadth, so L into B. So this is the area of this surface, and the opposite of this surface is this, and the length is same like the previous one, L, L. This is B, this is also B. So class, if this is B, then this is also B. So plus L into B. The area of this surface is L into B, the area of this surface is L into B. Now if I am talking about this surface class, so the area of this surface is, now this is L, and you know this is H, because this is your B, this is your L, and this is your H. So the area of this surface is L into H, and the same area of this surface is L into H. So it means L into H plus L into H. And now class, we have 1, 2 surfaces complete, 3 and 4 surface complete. Now this and this surface. So if I am talking about this surface, what you see here, this is your B and this is your H. So B into H, and this side also the same surface is there, so plus B into H. So class, L into B plus L into B means LB plus LB. The meaning is 2LB. What is the meaning of L into H plus L into H? LH plus LH, 2LH, and BH plus BH, 2BH. So total surface area. Total surface area means class, this plus this plus this. So meaning is 2LB plus 2LH plus 2BH. So 2 is common, LB plus LH plus BH. So this is the total surface area of cuboid. So class, now cube. In cube you all know all the sides are equal. It means your length equal to breadth equal to height, or we can say S, side. So volume is L into B into H. It means side into side into side. The meaning is side cube. So the volume of cube is whatever side they will given you, just cube of that side is your volume. And now if I am talking about the surface area, so what is the meaning of surface area class? It's very simple, because if I am talking about the first surface, then area is side into side. So for first surface, area is side into side means side square. So you have 6 faces. You all know in cube you have 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It's like a Ludo dice class. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are mentioned there. So same, where that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are mentioned, those are your faces. So if 6 faces are there, so your total surface area is 1 s square plus 2 s square plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, 6x square. So this is the total surface area of cube, because area of all the faces of this cube is same, s square. Why class? Because area is L into B and your side into side means side square. So if 6 faces are there, so 6s square is your surface area for cube. And class, our next topic is area of 4 walls. So class, how we calculate the area of 4 walls which is in your room? So for that you have to understand, suppose this is your room and these are your walls 1, 2, 3, 4. But class, it's very important, if we calculate the area of this wall, then the area of this wall is also same. If we calculate the area of this wall, then the area of this wall is also same. So what is the area of this wall class? So it's very important to understand, this is your L, this is your B and this is your H. So if I am talking about this wall, then the area of this wall means area of this portion. So that is L into this. So this is H. So L into H. So L into H is there. And class, if this is L into H, so if the area of this wall is L into H, then the area of this wall is also L into H. So we have to add those. Now if I am talking about this wall, so you all know this is your L, this is your B and this is your H. So the area of this wall is B into H, because I am talking about this portion. So B into H. And if this is B into H, then this is also B into H. So the meaning is LH plus LH, that is 2LH, and this is BH plus BH, means 2BH. So total area is 2LH plus 2BH. So we can take 2H outside, that is L plus B, or we can say 2L plus B into H. So the meaning is 2 into L plus B means class perimeter into H means height. So this is the formula. If you want to calculate the area of 4 walls, at that time just find the perimeter of those walls and multiply it with by height. Then you will get the area of walls. So now class, I am taking question number 7. The area of the base of a rectangular tank is this, and the volume of water contained in it is 2.6 cubic meter. Find the depth of the water of the tank. It means you have to find the height. Area of rectangular base is 6500. Class, if your tank is like this, so if this is your tank class, so the area of this base is 6500 centimeter square, and volume of tank, that is equal to 2.6 meter cube. Class, they given here volume of water. So class, if the volume of water they given you, so the volume of water is same, which is the volume of tank. So volume of water equal to volume of tank. So they gave you here volume of water, that is 2.6 meter cube. So here you just write volume of water, that is 2.6. I convert it into centimeter cube because area is also mentioned in centimeter square. So volume of water is equal to volume of tank. So volume of tank is this 26000 centimeter cube. So you all know volume equal to L into B into H. So put the value of volume and L into B into H. They gave you here L into B also, that is 6500 centimeter square. So volume equal to area into height. So H equal to volume upon area. By solving this you will get the answer 400 centimeter. The meaning is 4 meter. Next question is, the area of 4 walls of a room is this. The breadth and the height of this room is 8 meter and 6 meter. Find the length of the room. So now area of 4 walls given, breadth given, height given, find length. So we know area of wall, that is 2L plus B into H. There is a formula. So 156, put the value, put all the values and you will get 156 equal to 12 plus 16m into 6m. So 12 plus 16m equal to 156 upon 6m. 12 plus 16m equal to 26. 12 equal to 10, L equal to 10 upon 2, 5 meter. And now class, question number 18. In a shower, 6 centimeter of rainfall was there. So class, 6 centimeter rainfall means there is a specific rainfall means class, when rain is falling, at that time you measure the rain by the height. So it means the rain is there, so the height of that rain is 6 centimeter. Find the value of water that fell on 1.5 hectares of land. So 1 hectare means class 10,000 meter square, so 1.5 hectares means 15,000 meter square. So area of field is 15,000 meter square. If 6 centimeter of rainfall is there, then height is centimeter. So class, if there is a rainfall, then we measure the rain by the height. So this height is 6 centimeter. So class, the area of this plot is 15,000 meter square and the height is 6 centimeter. So convert it into meters, that is 0.06 meter. So height is 0.06 meter. So volume equal to area into height. So your area is 15,000 into height 0.06 meter. So the answer is 900 meter cube.